Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am making veg pulao. For this recipe I took the basmati or biryani rice. Rinse the biryani or basmati rice thoroughly under the cold water until the water runs clear. This helps remove excess starch. Soak the rice water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then drain the water. Then I took some veggies like onion, carrot, potatoes and capsicum and green peas also. Then heat the oil or ghee in pressure cooker on medium heat flame. Then add some cumin seeds, bay leaf, 1 or 2 cloves, 1-inch cinnamon sticks and 1 cardamom pods and some cashew and curry leaves also. Saute for about 30 seconds until the spices becomes aromatic. Then add the sliced onion and mix veggies. And saute for 2 to 3 minutes. And add 2 tomato puree also. You can see how they look colorful. Add 2 tomato puree and mix with the veggies. Then add salt according to taste and kitchen king masala for more flavorful. Then add soaked and drained rice to the cooker. Gently mix the rice with the veggies and spices, being careful not to break the rice grains. And then add 2 glasses of water to the rice mixture and add 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee. You can add lemon juice also at this stage. Then close the lid and cook for 2 whistles on the low to medium flame. Then turn off the heat, let it rest for 5 minutes. Then open carefully. Look at the pulao. All rice grains are separated. They look colorful and delicious. Then you can garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve the pulao with salad and lemon wedges for a fresh zing. If you like my recipes, please do like, subscribe and share also. And see you again in the next video. Then okay, bye bye, see you again. Thank you.